Alright, for this last one, we're going to talk about the square root property. It says to solve a quadratic function in the form x squared equals n, take the square root of each side. Pretty simple. For any number, n is greater than 0. So that just means that the number, if it's equal to n, it can't be negative. Okay? This plus or minus sign, that means you're going to get a positive number and a negative number for your answer. So for example, if we have x squared is equal to 25, take the square root of both sides. You get x equals plus or minus square root of 25. Well, what's the square root of 25? 5. So x is equal to plus or minus 5. And the reason it's plus or minus 5 is because of this. What's negative 5 times negative 5? Positive 25. So square roots can have plus or minus answers. Okay? So let's look at the example 4. You don't have to copy this in the spiral. It will be good for you to, because you may have a problem like this. But let's look at example A. If we have y minus 6 squared equals 81, the first thing we have to get rid of when solving for y is the squared. So I'm going to take the square roots of both sides. And notice, when I take the square root of this side, that takes the squared away. So on this side, you're left with y minus 6 equals plus or minus square root of 81. What is the square root of 81? 9. So y minus 6 is equal to plus or minus 9. And the reason it's plus or minus 9 because negative 9 times negative 9 is still positive 81. To get rid of minus 6, you add 6 to both sides. So your final answer is going to be 6 plus 9 and 6 minus 9, or 6 minus 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. 6 minus 9 is negative 3. So this answer, you have two answers because the square root can be a plus or a minus number.